Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy channel. And I am Abhinav Jindal here to give insights about the most researched topic on how to take the GRE test at home. Let me share with you all you need to know about the GRE home test. When to take the GRE test at home? The GRE paper-based general test is available at more than 1,000 testing centers in all 50 states and 160 countries. The GRE online test is taken home-based at any date and any time. The test is available 7 days a week, 24/7, and is offered everywhere except in mainland China and Iran. Online test came into effect from March 2020 due to the coronavirus pandemic. What happens on the examination day of home-based GRE? On the actual day of the home GRE exam, you need your identification documents. The whole test will be recorded by Proctor, an online exam proctoring solution where the interesting fact is that the test will be overseen by a human proctor to ensure the correct testing procedures. And to tell you, your proctor could be a female or a male. I know you would feel tired and you would be thinking, do we have breaks in the GRE test at home? So the answer is yes. They do have breaks for 10 minutes after section 3. It works the same way as the paper-based GRE exam. You can leave the room after informing the proctor via chat option. And note, this is very important that in the break, if you take phone calls, that will result in cancellation of your scores. So be very careful on that. Are you live in a video chat with your proctor? No, the proctor for the online GRE exam is only available via text-based chat. Let's go to the very important question. So now, you know you want to give the test online. Do you register for the test? The answer would be the online-based GRE test is recommended 24 hours before the desired test date. It can be done online via phone call or mail enrollment. How to register for the GRE online test? To register for the GRE test online, follow these steps. Step number 1, the ETS account. What is ETS? I guess most of you would be knowing, but then for new users, I will tell you. ETS is an educational testing service. So ensure that the name used in the registration is the same name that reflects on the ID documents. Step number 2. On the GRE homepage, register, find test dates, pick the desired date and enter and finish. Step number 3. Confirm personal information and agree to testing terms and conditions. Step number 4. So nothing is free in this world, not even a small cup of coffee or tea, whichever you like. So grab your coffee mug and come back to your place and sit in front of your system and do the payment for your exam. In the meanwhile, I can also grab my cup of coffee. You can do it with wherever's method like. For example, online banking, e-check, PayPal, credit card, debit card, etc., etc., and etc. How to prepare for GRE after registration? To prepare for GRE, follow these steps. First, set GRE target score. Set a goal and determine the desired GRE score. Second, creating a study plan is very important, and building an effective study plan and scheduling and focusing on your best learning techniques is a great way to succeed in your test. And I'm sure you are doing your best. Third, build up GRE vocabulary. You will learn about this in our more coming videos. Get familiar with words and create a list. Point number 4, take GRE practice test as much as you can and answer sample questionnaires and assess what questions are challenging and study further to crack the GRE. I will give you a lot more interesting content in our upcoming videos. So for now, signing off, this is Abhinav Jindal. Let's crack it.